short movie from this enterprise.
This supplies the 5 machining stations of the first machine, OP10. The first station mills the blank part of the cylinder head face. The second station reams with a multiple head the 10 fixing holes of the cylinder head as well as the part positioning locations. After turning over the cylinder head, the third station performs the rough milling and finish machining of the crankshaft face. The next 2 stations perform the bearing fixing holes. At the outlet of the transfer line, a flap ensures the machining tunnel is closed. The block is transferred via a gantry to the second machine, OP20.
This is just one machine of such a line, and real life is larger and often till up to 20, 40 machines in the line. So the business of PCSM is design of new machining systems. Client propose a new product with product specifications and production volume necessary for this product.